Good morning, everybody. Well, I guess it's afternoon now, not morning. Merry Christmas Eve. And today's video is about my adventures in installing the Mufflex intermediate kit for my Dodge Ram Power Wagon 2500 6.4. It was interesting, let me tell you. I had issues getting the stock muffler off. It was almost like welded itself together, thanks to Kyle for his assistance in doing that. And then of course I didn't have all the right tools to do a proper job, and I hate that. So we had issues getting the new Mufflex muffler on. But everything's done. I have some video to show you now. I love the sound of it, and I do have before and after, and a clip with no exhaust or no muffler on it. It's just a straight pipe over to the cats as well. So the only thing that I would say is don't do what I did and end up with a black eye like I did. Wrong eye. Oh, which one is it? It's this one. It's hard to see. Hopefully you can see it. I got a nice little shiner here. Nice cut up here as well. That's the product of a pry bar coming loose and hitting me in the face while underneath the truck. A few other cuts and scratches and stuff as well, but otherwise unscathed. So I've got a black eye and a new muffler. So hopefully you'll enjoy the video. Thanks. See you soon. Merry Christmas, everybody.
So good morning, everybody. This is what I'm going to be installing today on this beast. So hopefully I'll be able to show you guys a little step-by-step, get you in there up close and personal with what's going on. So yeah, it'll be fun. This is the Mufflex intermediate muffler delete, I guess they call it. It's yeah, it's not the straight pipe. It's the one with the MagnaFlow 6-inch round muffler on it. I'm excited to get it on. Of course, we're going to be keeping the resonator on the back here on this 2017 Power Wagon 6.4, and we'll be having some fun with it. Thanks. So here it is, the sound with the stock exhaust. Alright, so the first step, we have to get that clamp off. I've already sprayed that mount there with WD-40 penetrant, and then we gotta come back here and we get that clamp off, and then we can get this behemoth down that's right in front of me. I know it's hard to see, and I'm sorry. And we'll go from there. So I'm going to take my impact gun and start loosening these off and see if I can get this thing to release. Everybody said it was going to be easy.
Yeah, that's because they take them off, put them on,
and then they tell you that it was 5 minutes.
5 minutes of work.
Yeah, that was not. Look at this. This is big and heavy.
It's annoying.
It's annoying. There ain't a hell of a lot of room in there.
Send it back. Start the truck without the muffler on it. I have to do that.
I have to do that, yeah. I have to do that.
Everybody does
so
that.
I've already done the pre muffler swap. So Oh, I guess I didn't have to do that.
Yeah, leave that on.
I will. I'll put it back on here in a minute. So, here it is with nothing on. Just gonna start it. Holy hell. That's tough, man. I hope you guys can appreciate what's actually happening here and how loud that is. That's freaking loud as hell. Wait until I get that bad boy on. But we're taking a rest. I'm going to rest my shoulders, and then we'll put this little one on. So, talk to you soon. So this is day 2. You'll see that I got the resonator still there. That you can see some of the new pipe back in here with the clamps on it. There's a whole bunch of stuff going on up underneath. It was a little bit more work involved, mainly my own fault. I got really bad shoulders and stuff. That's why it took 2 days. But otherwise, everything's great. I'm extremely happy. Here is start up with the Magnaflow with Mufflex pipes.